Recently, Swedish cardboard manipulator IKEA bought 11,000 acres of Georgia wild space in order to prevent it from being developed. Part of the Altamaha River basin in southeast Georgia, they say that it's all about preserving the land. But one must ask, why would a bunch of Swedish furniture elves want to protect American land? So I did some research, and buried in the darkest corners of the World Wide Web, I found out about Altamaha-ha, the legendary sea lizard that flops around the Altamaha River. So, is it just a coincidence that IKEA bought some prime Altamaha-ha habitat? Or is there something more sinister at play here? Yeah, I would never say that they plan on breeding an army of Altamaha-has in order to finally conquer America, but I would never not say that either. Just don't say you weren't warned. Next time you buy a Skjernsk and you're assembling it and you find out it's missing the last piece you need, remember that you're actually funding the Swedish invasion. The missing piece is your soul. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for listening. Like and subscribe.